Today we are going to learn about form tag. First we need to write the basic structure of the HTML. Then we need to create form tag, and inside that we need to write the field set tag and then legend tag. The text that you will insert inside the legend tag is shown like this. Now we will start creating our form. Placeholder gives the additional information. Max length attribute is used to set the maximum character that can be inserted inside the name. For example, here we can write only 10 character name. Here we can type only numbers. Here we can select any one of the following. Required attribute is used so that we cannot submit the form without filling it. For address we use text area tag because it has so many characters. We can extend the text area tag as per our need. Select tag is used as a drop-down list. Here you can give the option as much as you want. If you will write the selected attribute in the form, then you will see that option. Here we are getting this error because we have set this as required. If you click the reset button, all the form will be resetted to the new. It is showing this error because we have not written the email in correct format. Please subscribe the video.